Namaskar friends. So today I will be discussing about how to determine the endotracheal tube size. But before that, I would request you all to please subscribe to Savvy Nursing channel and also press the bell icon to receive further notification. So first of all, it is important to understand what the endotracheal tube is. So endotracheal tube is an advanced airway which is used mostly in critical care units and during the cardiac arrest. So, there are mainly two types of endotracheal tubes. So, one is the one in which the cuff is present and is known as the curved endotracheal tube. तो जो दो प्रकार के होते हैं endotracheal tubes, उसमें एक आता है curved endotracheal tube, जिसमें कि cuff present होता है, जिसे हम inflate करते हैं with the help of air. And the other one is the uncurved endotracheal tube. ये mostly उन nurses को पता होगा, those who are working in pediatric units or pediatric intensive care units. So the pediatricians and intensivists in PICU and NICU mostly prefer the uncurved endotracheal tube so that these tubes will not pressurize the inner mucosa of the trachea. यानी inner mucosa जो है trachea का उस पर undue pressure नहीं होगा cuff inflation की वजह से, which might lead to tracheal edema and can cause further life-threatening complications. So in order to avoid this, we generally use this type of ET tube for the pediatric patients. So next time when the doctors are asking nurses to prepare the intubation tray, don't get worried. Watch this video and understand how to calculate the ET tube size. It is not very difficult. Watch this video till the end. Endotracheal tube size determination. So first we will see in adult patients, if we have to determine the ETT size, we can use an average size of 8 for an adult male, whereas for an adult female we might use number 7. But the endotracheal tube size may vary depending upon the clinical assessment. Next, the important one is to determine the endotracheal tube size in pediatric patients. For this, we have to use a formula. Pediatric tubes are sized using the following equation. That means endotracheal tube size is equals to H divided by 4 plus 4. This is for the uncurved endotracheal tube. So here the age will be in years. Remember, this is not for infants. This is mainly for the pediatric patients. Then if we are using an curved one, then we have to use the formula H divided by 4 plus 3.5. This is for the curved endotracheal tube. Next, we can see an example with which it will be more clear. 4 years old child Nikhil has to be intubated in PICU. Which size of endotracheal tube would the nurse keep prepared in her intubation tray? So, if suppose the nurse has to keep an uncurved endotracheal tube, the size would be calculated using the formula H divided by 4 plus 4. So here the age is 4 years. So 4 divided by 4 plus 1, which will be 1 plus 4, which is ETT of 5, size 5. Now if suppose the nurse has to keep a curved endotracheal tube, so the formula will be H divided by 4 plus 3.5 for the curved one. So putting the value in this formula, we will get the answer as 4.5. So you can see the relation between these two, the curved endotracheal tube and the uncurved one. So if we have to use an uncurved one, remember we have to keep the number 0.5 मोर, यानी जो आपने नंबर सिलेक्ट किया है उससे 0.5 ज़्यादा आपको सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. अगर आपने 5 नंबर का ईटी ट्यूब रखा है तो अनकर्व्ड में आपको 5.5 नंबर यानी 5.5 का आपको सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. So another important point here for endotracheal tube is fixing, especially in pediatric patients. So आप कितना अंदर डालोगे, कहाँ पर आप फिक्स करोगे? So for that, remember a pediatric endotracheal tube is taped at a depth of 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय द ट्यूब साइज इन अ चाइल्ड. जो भी ट्यूब साइज है, एंडोट्रेकियल ट्यूब का साइज हमने सिलेक्ट करा है, उसको हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. हियर इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल, लाइक अगर हमने 5 नंबर का ईटी ट्यूब रखा है तो हम उसको 15 सेंटीमीटर की डेप्थ पे टेप करते हैं. 15 कैसे आया हमारे पास? 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय द ट्यूब साइज विच इज़ 3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 5, वी विल गेट इट एज 15 सेंटीमीटर्स. आई होप आपकी काफ़ी कुछ क्वेरीज इससे क्लियर हुई होंगी कि कैसे हमको डिटरमाइन करना है इंट्यूबेशन ट्रे में कौन से साइज़ का हमको एक्सपेक्टेड रखना है. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर व्हेनेवर यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग एन इंट्यूबेशन ट्रे, जो भी आपको साइज़ आपको लग रहा है कि रखना है, उससे 0.5 ज़्यादा और 0.5 कम हमेशा आप प्रिपेयर करके रखिए. सो दैट इज़ माई एडवाइस फॉर यू ऑल. इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, प्लीज़ डू प्रेस द like button and also comment. Thank you.